Hello, my name is Rahul Khartode. My video topic is static keyword. The static keyword is mainly used for memory management. Also, it has one specification, that is the static keyword is used only in the class, or that is in the instance variable. Third is the third advantages of static variable is when we create the variable when we create the class and declare the variable using static keyword, then we have to call that variable to the outside of the class in the main method. Then we do not have need to create the object of that class where the object is created. First is the static variable declaration, where we can declare the static variable. We declare the static variable in the only instance. We cannot use the static variable in the one method or anything, but we have to use only the static variable in the main class only. Second is the static method, which does not require to create the object to access the variable. For example, in class test, in curly bracket we declare the variable, that is int num is equal to 10. Curly bracket complete, and we create the another second class, that is class main method, which contain the main method. When generally we have to access that variable, we need to create the object of that class. But in class 1 in the class 1 we declared variable, that is int num is equal to 10. We write the static keyword before the data type. Then we can easily access that variable in the another class in the main method. Third is the memory management. The static keyword is used in the method for the memory management. If we create the class, that is the class name test, and write the or define the variable, that is int num is equal to 10 and string name is equal to hepsine, and also we create the constructor of that class and passes the argument from main, that is int num and string name, and we create the second class for main method, where we create the object of first class, and we create the object there, and we access the methods from class 1 by using object dot method, which is present in the class 1. Then there is no special type of memory, because of we using the static variable. So the static variable has the special memory or the class memory. The static variable uses the class memory or method memory. So there is no memory allocation for that static method in the heap. That's all about static keyword. Thank you.